how to change logo color in Canva. Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change color in Canva. As you can see, I've picked a random logo over here and I'll show you how you can change the colors. Let's say in the background you see the color yellow orange. You want to click on it, and then if you go to the left over here, you can see the background color and you can alter it the way you want. Down here you have more options. You can also choose for gradients, so you have some different options over there. And you can also click on add a new color if you want to go for a solid color. As you can see, I click and drag. I could change the color. Maybe I want to go a little bit more yellowish. Again, I click and I drag until I'm satisfied. I stop and I have changed the background color. Now I can also click on the logo. As you can see, here are all the colors they used in the logo. Let's say I want to change the color red and I want to change into violet or pink. And as you can see, this way I can alter every color in the logo. Here I want to go for this. Just doing some random stuff just to show you how to do it. Click on this one. I want to turn this one into yellow. And that is how you change logo color in Canva. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.